Hello friends, today I am revealing 11 best AI tools which help you to grow faster and work smarter in any field. So let's get started, friends.
Over the last couple of years, we've tested literally hundreds of AI tools. So today I'm going to share a handful of the most powerful, kind of under the radar ones I found. And listen, these aren't just cool new gadgets, they're genuine doorways to new skills and yeah, serious money. We're going to look at a few that are totally changing the game and how we create, automate, and even upgrade our own skills. Okay, let's dive right in. This quote, it just nails it, doesn't it? Everybody's worried that AI is coming for their jobs. But the reality? It's a little more complicated than that. The real danger isn't the technology itself. It's the person who figures out how to use this stuff before you do. So this isn't about being afraid of AI. It's about realizing the incredible advantage you get by jumping on these tools before they're everywhere. It's time to stop playing defense and start playing offense. Let's kick things off with the tools that help you create. So first up, let's talk about creation. AI is completely flipping the script on how we make pro-level content. And the first tool on our list, well, it's caused an absolute storm online. I'm sure you've seen the buzz around Sora, and for good reason. I mean, the things people are creating are just incredible. We're seeing everything from videos of Gandhi acting violent to Einstein boxing. We've seen scenes from ancient Rome that look real, stories from the Ramayana brought to life, and it all comes from just a simple line of text. The results are, well, they're truly mind-blowing. Okay, but here's the catch. Getting access to Sora is tricky. It's not officially available everywhere, but a little workaround has popped up. Basically, you get a VPN, set it to the US, and find a fresh invite code on a specific website. Now, it might take you a few tries, you just gotta keep plugging in codes. But if you stick with it, you can get in. And trust me, that's a huge head start. And this is exactly why getting in early is so important. For example, some fan made a PS5 ad with Sora that went viral. It looked like it cost millions of dollars to produce. This kind of power just opens up so many doors. You could start freelancing, making high-end ads for people. You could sell custom clips on Fiverr or run entire social media accounts just with AI content. You could even create video packs for, say, real estate agents and sell them on Gumroad. The potential is massive. All right, next up is our second huge opportunity, automation. This is all about building systems that do the work for you, so you can build a business that basically runs on its own. So I want you to meet N8N. It's a visual tool that lets you link up different apps to handle all the boring, repetitive stuff. Think about it. Posting to social media, pulling data, sending out notifications. N8N does all that. One person with N8N can literally do the work of a 5-person team. No joke, it's that powerful. And hey, this isn't just theory. Look at this real-world example. A couple, Richard and Kathleen Lowe, moved to Portugal and started a little side business helping other foreigners get tax IDs. They used N8N to automate the most annoying parts, like creating legal PDFs and sending them out. And the result? Their little side project pulled in over $60,000 in just a few months. That is the power of smart automation. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said something that really hits home here. He basically said AI isn't really replacing jobs, it's replacing repetitive tasks. So if a lot of your day-to-day work is stuff that a tool like N8N could just do for you, well, that's a pretty clear sign that it's time to upgrade your skill set. Which is the perfect segue to our third category, upgrading yourself. These are the tools that don't replace you. They make you better. Faster, smarter, more effective. They're what turn you into a super professional, the kind of person who gets the raise, the promotion, or the investment. First one, Slides AI. Okay, be honest. How many hours of your life have you wasted making presentations, agonizing over layouts, hunting for the right images, stressing about every little detail? Well, Slides AI is a Google Slides extension that's basically your own personal designer. And it builds amazing presentations in a tiny fraction of the time. I mean, just look at this comparison. Creating a really important pitch deck used to be an entire day of stressful work. Now, you can knock it out in 30 minutes. And this isn't just about saving time. It's about getting a better, slicker, more professional result that actually helps you win that deal or get that funding. That's a real financial impact. But look, a great presentation is only half the battle, right? You still have to deliver it. And that brings us to our next tool, one that focuses on a skill that is just critical for success: communication. Let me introduce you to Poised.ai. It's your personal AI communication coach. So if you've ever wanted to be a better speaker but don't have a personal coach, this is for you. It listens to you during your meetings or even when you practice and gives you private feedback in real time. Are you talking too fast? Are you using filler words like and all the time? Poised keeps track of all of it and helps you become a much more confident, persuasive speaker. So it really makes you think. With tools like Slides AI and Poised.ai, you're not just getting some software, you're actually investing in yourself, in your own speed, your own effectiveness, your own power to persuade. So let me ask you, what is that worth to your career? Okay, so we've looked at tools to create, to automate, and to upgrade. Now let's tie it all together. Let's talk about a clear, simple plan to start your very first business powered by AI. Here are 3 solid models you can start with. First, sell AI services. Get really good at Sora and sell video creation. Get great at Slides AI and sell pitch deck design. Second, you can build and sell digital products. Create bundles of AI videos or presentation templates and sell them online. And third, once you get really good, you can level up and become an AI consultant, where you actually teach other businesses how to use these tools themselves. Look, the whole game is changing. The advantage doesn't go to the person with the most money anymore. It goes to the person who can master the best tools the fastest. The opportunity is sitting right here, right in front of you. So really, there's only one question left. Which tool are you going to master first?